Young Jonn, Olamide, Currency. Young Jonn and Olamide as an artist. This is beautiful, man. This is wholesome. I am happy. This makes my heart smile. Bro, seeing Young Jonn and Olamide on a record together is absolutely stellar. It's poetic. Young Jonn, one of the brilliant producers that are very, very responsible for Olamide's earlier like run and freaking countless back-to-back run of hits and stellar street pop moments and commercial moments as well. Young Jonn has been behind that, same as Fields. And it'd be nice to see even Fields get a feature by Olamide as well. That would be cool too. But anyway, it's a nice, beautiful moment to see Young Jonn as an artist here after having such a fantastic run last year with his EP Love Is Not Enough, having hits like Extra Cool, Dada with Davido. Yeah, man, he's obviously making a lot of statement as an artist, and it'd be nice to see Olamide blessing him with the feature on this one. Olamide has been busy too, honestly. Last week we had a song we wanted to call Massive Jam. So it's absolute bop, and Olamide is just getting busy, man. But anyway, let's hear this one, this full circle moment. I'm excited. Let's go. Young Jonn, Olamide, Currency. Hope it's a bop. I know it's been a bop.
I do not want to come.
Okay.
If you got the problem, go do. If you get the business, Olamide. Normally, I want more get one thing normally. No, you can bother me. Only thing I want right now is the pass and money, currency. May nobody bother me. Only thing I want right now is the pass and dollar.
First off, the sentiment around the song obviously is driven by the ones to get money, to get paper, and I respect that. I like how it opens up with very Young Jonn-like chords, because this is something that you'd expect from a Young Jonn production. I think it's him that's behind it. I checked to clarify if it was him, but it seems like it would be him that's behind the production chop here. And yeah, interesting sentiment, interesting subject matter here. It says if you have a problem, call God. If you have business, call me. Because it's all about the currency. All right, I hear it.
Double 8 on my suffocate, my jacara want my jubilate, my to celebrate. Raised in the jungle, used to the wildlife, product of the project. Now I'm a bad man, so look for the pain, big belly joy. I just wanted to be heard. She be me no shining boy.
This is giving triumphant, man. This that Olamide when he's talking about his early days. I love it. I love it when he's I love when he gets into this vein of talking about his earlier I guess strides that he has had to overcome, man, you know?
La hawla, wala quata, ila bilia ila zim, now they can't stop the boy. Loud, wow, cow name is Mau, so they go be
hey, relatable as fuck. That's all we're on right now, man. The pass
no be today, I wish I know that everything I know now, show you. I want more, get one thing normally. No, you can bother me, only thing I want right now is the pounds and dollar.
Hey. Listen, Chocolate City, man. These niggas are not playing at all. They're very, man, very well thought out rollout and choice of singles, because this is a good moment for him. I know it's gonna be like, it's gonna make a strong moment for a project. And he might be gearing up towards something else this year, so you never know. This song is relatable as it can get. Everyone is looking for money, bro. We're all chasing this thing called life, and a capitalist system that we're dependent on money. So, yeah, man, most people are chasing it, and that sentiment of not having it and wanting to have it, yeah, man, it's a huge driver for so many people, like for millions of people, you know. And this nice moment now to have Young Jonn and Olamide collaborating. Olamide coming here to bless this record with a very strong verse that really, really channels that same sentiment around the song. And you can liken it to a moment that he had like on Triumphant, talking about his hardships that he had to face. And then the outro of that verse, man, Olamide Vado, man. Yeah, man, that was stellar how he saw the record out. I really enjoyed this one, man. Young Jonn sounds amazing. It's a very simple and like easy to ride with kind of hook. simple structure goes a long way on records like this. Not add to the aspect that the song is on a relatable sentiment, man. Like, it's the pounds and dollars. Like, forget naira at this point. It's pounds and dollars that we're looking at. You know what I mean? So, I really appreciated what Young Jonn did with this one. Definitely one of the strongest moments tonight. Yeah, Young Jonn, it's been on a crazy run, man. Crazy run of an artist. I'm excited to see what else he has to offer this year. It'll be dope. Chocolate City, they're cooking. These singers are cooking, man. Won't say bad.